I'm Joe from DeliVita. We're here in my garden and we're getting a lot of questions about the oven and what it does and what makes it different. So what we've done is we've developed a traditional wood-fired oven but made it for modern times. So a lot of people get confused and call it a pizza oven. And what you have to appreciate is that a pizza oven is mostly just for making pizzas. So you'd be putting a lot of wood in, and then what happens is the heat just distorts. So it's mostly metal ovens which are classed as pizza ovens. Then you've got the traditional wood-fired oven, which is a really big ones, which you're probably used to seeing on holiday in Italy and beautiful places. But the challenges are that they take about 3 to 4 hours to get to temperature, consume a lot of wood, weigh several tons, but because, as you can see, we live in Yorkshire and it's very wet, you have to create an occasion to use it. So you may only use it 4 or 5 times a year. So when you go and use it the following year, the clay will start crumbling and cracking. So we wanted something which was really versatile. So what we've done is, this is fiberglass, so it's protecting the clay on the inside. This frontage here is 316 marine stainless steel. So again, it's not going to rust with the elements, but it'll always have that beautiful look. And it's a brushed stainless steel, so you can just rub it down and it'll always get that beautiful look. But more importantly, if you look at the inside is all clay. So what puts us apart from the big traditional one? One, it takes 25 minutes to get to temperature. So you're looking at 25 minutes at 450 degrees. In half an hour, this is currently now at 600 degrees. The outer shell is completely safe, so you can touch it. So the beauty is you can have children around you, you can sit around the table, and you can cook together as a family. So we're bringing families together and friends together, so you're getting the most out of it. And as you can see, you can place it on any surface, so it's completely safe. But the oven only weighs 30 kilos. So if you want to then move it to another area, or you've got sun traps in different places around the garden, you can just take it with you. Or if it's a really harsh winter, you just pop it into the shed. So as you can see, it's very simple, very easy, one piece of wood, but more importantly, we believe in being eco-friendly. So normally you'd be using loads of wood to get it going. One piece of wood will last about 20 to 25 minutes. So another question we get is, where does the smoke go? So the smoke is coming out the front, but if you look carefully and come down and look at where that smoke is going, it literally will never touch the actual food. But what we're actually doing is we're maintaining all that heat within the actual oven. So pizza will take 60 to 90 seconds, but we're going to do a few different recipes, but this is mainly, if you're using meats, it's incredible. So if you're using a beautiful cast iron, you're using a nice dish inside the oven, a black iron dish, this base will reach 350 degrees because that's how hot that stone is, so it's transferred directly onto it. But then you've got a flame rolling at 600 degrees, so you're cooking the meat, and the meat is actually cooking with its own juices, so it makes it really moist and really tender and very quick, so with flash cooking. But then you could use a door if you wanted a hot smoke. Then you can use it as a tandoori oven, so a naan would take 30 seconds. But once this flame goes out, this will retain the heat for up to 2.5 hours, which then allows slow cook, and then you can bake bread.